Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how to customize your own curtains on Amazon. So go onto Amazon.com and on the search bar, you're going to write 2 pages. This is going to open up to the 2 pages storefront. You're going to click on the brown logo circle. And then you're going to click on categories and then custom curtain. You can choose from the Liz, the Isabella, the Kayla, and the Jahara. For purposes of this video, we're going to click on the Liz. That's the one I have in my bedroom. And you're going to scroll down and click on Customize Now. Here you're going to choose your color. I have a bunch of colors here to show you. They have a lot, and I recommend that you look at your wall color and sort of match it as close as possible. I don't believe in having all different color curtains. But again, this is all your preference, is your bedroom. But for this video, we're going to go and click on the ones I have in my bedroom, which is a Snow White. Then we're going to go to the header type. You have a whole bunch of things to choose from. The pinch pleat, you have tailored pleat, you have triple pleat, you have so much. You have grommet. So we're going to click on the triple pleat. That's the one I have in my bedroom. I think triple pleat looks pretty in a bedroom. And then when you go to single panel finish, the width is how wide you want them. I usually get them 100. So what you do is that you double the width of your window. I do not open and close my curtains. They're only for decorative purposes. So we're gonna click on 100. And then the single finished length, again, it all depends on the length of the curtains you like. I'm gonna just pick 89 for this video. And then the lining type, I recommend you do line them, but if this is not for open and close, I just do the least privacy lining, which is 70%, no tiebacks. Memory shape is super important, guys. This is where I showed you where my curtains look crisp, like they just came out of the dry cleaner. So again, this is based on what you chose for width. So I chose the 80 to 160 because I chose 100 width in curtains. Click on the quantity of curtains and click buy now.